Hey guys, so I'm here with actual mukbang in my home, and I have today. Well, first I'll tell you why I have these garlic butter noodles. I'm not the biggest rice fan. I eat rice, but I don't love rice. I don't crave rice. So when I get my things like this is beef and broccoli, real beef. Like this is the beef eaters beef and broccoli. Cause sometimes, when you get this, some places it'd be a little questionable. Oh my god, I can't even get it out loud. I don't want it to fall. So let's get all of this up there. Whoop. Don't run away from me now. And after I pile this up, there's this delicious gravy. I just pour the gravy right over it. Oh my god, that gravy is gonna be life. So here we have it. Beef and broccoli with butter garlic noodles. And of course I have some hot sauce on the side that came with it. But to make this video more interesting, I'm not gonna be using my fork. I'll be using these chopsticks. I'm not the best chopsticks person. So we have 20 minutes and I'm going to be trying to eat with my chopsticks. So it will definitely be a struggle. This place is good because they give you lots of broccoli. I love the vegetables too. When I open the hot sauce, I can just smell it wafting out. I know it's gonna be real hot sauce. Stop. I like noodles with the chopsticks. Let me see. A beef. The beef is so tender. And I have here pineapple iced tea. You know what? Thumbnail. Forgot a thumbnail. Let's see how this look. So yeah. So let me go to the side and get in here. The broccoli's cooked just like I like it. I like it medium. I like it a little bit firm, but I still want it to be a little soft too. I don't know how to do this. I should know better. Struggle is real. This beef. I saw them shave the beef. That's why I know what I got, you know? I saw them shave that beef. Cut it really, really thin. But now I will be loyal to this place. Because beef and broccoli is not really one of my things that I get. But they did it right. I went to get my hair cut today. My barber wasn't there. I'm loyal. I don't go and see other barbers. I'd rather show up to the function looking like ugh than cheat on my barber. I'm loyal. Only other time I ever got my hair cut, like fully cut, was when I was in Puerto Rico. Because I was working up to the day right before I left, and I did not have time to get to see my barber, and I didn't want to look like shit in my pictures, you know, when I post up on the gram. So I went to one there, and I didn't like how it came out. So I still didn't have pictures. Oh my God. I'm like a baby. I feel like a baby with these things. That gravy on these noodles, amazing. I should have just used my fork, opened my big mouth, and now I'm stuck with these. I just figured noodles would be fun with chopsticks. Broccoli is cooked to perfection. These days I spend a lot more time watching YouTube. I used to only watch mukbangs, but now I like enjoying the family channels and seeing like, just what everyone's doing. So much fun. Little beef and broccoli. Who's some of your favorite YouTube channels to watch? Comment below. I don't know if you noticed, I never really scream, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I think if you want to, you will. I'm not, I see a lot of people opening videos with, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. I would like you to. But, I mean, you guys should already know that that's what I would like. I mean, that's what most YouTubers would like. More beef and broccoli. Bites. With hot sauce, a little more hot sauce. I've been seeing some YouTubers. It's just cheating. I've seen some YouTubers saying stuff like, don't comment under my videos about your channel. Like, that's clout chasing. Like, I feel like if I ever become successful on here, everybody's welcome to comment and put their video in the links below. I'm not a hater. We all can eat. This. Subscribing to my page don't mean that they're gonna unsubscribe from yours. Like, grow up. Child. We should support each other. We all have the same ambition. Some people not like that. I think it'd be fun to collab. I gotta find me some people in the New York area who want to collab. I love seeing people collab on the videos. That's fun. As a viewer. I started watching Prissy P. I mean, I know her from Be-Love, but she just did some collabs with Nikado. Opened my eyes to his channel. I mean, I knew of him, but I knew what I read, like the headlines, him having breakdowns and coming undone. But he seemed really likable in the videos, which made me then go to his channel and start watching some of his videos. Seems like a nice person. So that's what you gotta judge for yourself. This is a struggle. So yeah, I wonder any New York people out there that would want to collab. I'll even travel if it's, someplace I want to go. I love to travel. So close to Christmas. gonna finish up here with this bite of beef and broccoli. Oh crap. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me. Mm. I never force myself. This is like 1 or 2 bites left, but I'm not forcing it. I don't feel it. I'm not gonna finish it. Last sip. It was so good. So wanted. Whew. So if you like, please comment, subscribe. You're more than welcome to share it. Wow, that was so good. You know what? There are starving people in the world. I can't get this last little bit. Well, again, thank you for watching. If you guys have anything you want to see, comment down below. I'm excited to try new things, some new ideas. So anything, any suggestions you guys have, mukbangs, blogs, anything, vlogs, let me know. I would be more interactive, you know. Boom. All right. For real.